Okay, guys, the first thing we want to do to solve this inequality is to get rid of, you have to get rid of the parentheses first. So I need to get rid of this parentheses and I need to get rid of this parentheses. And the way to do it is just by distributing the number that's in front of the parentheses. So I'm going to multiply this 0.2 to everything that's inside this parentheses. So I'm going to go 0.2 times 4 is 0.8. So it's going to become 0.8x. And then I'm going to multiply 10 times 0.2. That's 2. So minus 2. So I just got rid of the parentheses. Then so I just bring down what's left here. Then I'm going to multiply 0.5 times x. That's 0.5x. Then I'm going to multiply 0.5 times 20, negative 20. That's 10. So this becomes negative 10 plus 10. Now my next step is to combine all of my, put the x, get my x's on one side of the equation. So I'm going to take this 0.5x and move it over here where the 0.8x is. Now anytime I move something on the other side of the symbol, the sign changes. It's positive over here, but what I'm going to do when I move it over here, it's going to become negative, right? So there's going to be a minus 0.5x. So you subtract 0.5x on both sides. So this becomes 0.3x minus 2 plus 14 is less than 0. Now what I have to do, I got to get x all by itself on this side. So the negative 2, I move over here, and the positive 14, I move over here. So this becomes 0.3x is less than 2 minus 14. 2 minus 14 is what? Negative 12. And then I divide both sides by the coefficient that's in front of this x, which is 0.3. So if you do this in your calculator and you go 12 divided by 0.3, you get 40, and it's negative. So x is less than negative 40.